I hear my friend Martha coming in. She's supposed to be on a date. I wonder what she's doing home. Martha, what are you doing home? It's only 6:25.
Well, honey, let me tell you what happened. Someone shut this door. Can't hear nobody eavesdropping. I got to the restaurant. My date's supposed to meet me there at 6:30, right? I get the door. It says 4-wheel tire only. And I think this is pretty 4-wheel tire, don't you?
Martha,
They wouldn't let me in.
why are your pants ripped, Martha?
I ate too much cherry cheesecake. They won't even button.
Really, Martha?
No, and when I go to put them on, I put the legs in the wrong hole. And it ripped them.
Martha,
I thought I looked pretty good for the date, but they wouldn't let me in.
what'd your date say, Martha?
Well, he went on in and ate without me.
How rude. Just another Harold.
I know. I'll tell you that, Antonio. Man, these days, I don't know what to tell you. Having all kinds of problems with my life. My son just went to jail, a damn juvenile delinquent, stealing #2 lead pencils. Can you believe it?
No, Martha.
#2 lead pencils. What's he gonna do? Write with them? Stab somebody?
But jail for stealing pencils?
I know. Gave him 3 months in juvenile. I don't even know what you call it.
How old is that boy now?
Hell if I know, that little bastard. Probably about 16.
How's Paula?
She's alright. She had the baby, but now she's done developed lupus.
Lupus?
I think she caught it from her ex-boyfriend, to be honest. He was a nasty son of a bitch. Nasty.
Martha, you can't catch lupus.
Well, she caught something. Leprosy, maybe?
I don't even know what that is, Martha.
Epilepsy?
Can't catch that.
No, hysterectomy, that's not it. She's got something, damn it. Gingivitis?
She don't brush her teeth?
I don't know what she does. She might not, but who knows? She won't eat none. I can't eat none of that cherry cheesecake no more. Can't fit into my pants. Can't button them up. They said something about my pants being unbuttoned. Well, I look like a prostitute. I didn't think so. Old woman like me. Damn Antonio, damn Mexican. I'm not gonna say nothing racist about Mexicans. I love them all. I'm not racist at all. I want y'all to know that. I'm thinking about going on Match.com.
Really?
What do you think about that, Match?
I don't know. You might find another Harold. You talked to Harold lately?
No, fuck Harold. I know. He's off with his little Hawaiian skinny thing. Tan skin. I don't know about him, that old man. Not worth a shit if you ask me. Go back to where the hell he came from.
Where did he come from?
Fuck if I know.
You were married to him for 20-something years.
I done told you I got Alzheimer's.